Welcome to this third edition of MPC News. MPC's 380-strong pipeline crew working in Wandoan on the Walibi Creek to Glebe Weir project had cause to celebrate in September when they successfully laid 4.6 kilometres of steel pipeline in a single day. Thanks to some extensive prior planning, the determined crew was able to lay 358 13.5 metre 4-tonne pipes, equating to one pipe every 2 minutes. The crew was also able to successfully backfill 3.6 kilometres of trench with more than 10,000 tonnes of sand and complete 11 air valve risers to scour outlets, a couple of tricky pipeline bends and a thrust block and creek crossing. While no official records exist for pipeline laying, the closest previous unofficial record was only 3.1 kilometres, so the crew's effort will be safe for some time to come. In other project news, MPC crews are also making significant headway on the QC LNG gathering and trunk lines projects in the Surat Basin. The 1,400-strong team has successfully laid more than 14 kilometres of steel pipeline for gas and water and also 246 kilometres of HDPE pipeline in the past month. And when it comes to project efficiency, MPC is a clear leader in the development of purpose-built machines that can deliver significant on-ground benefits. The company recently introduced into the field the Trenchmaster EF450. The machine was designed and built from scratch in the company's Eagle Farm yard and is used to efficiently backfill trenches. The remote-controlled machine can be operated by one person and, thanks to the innovative design, can take on board and accurately disperse 4 tonne of sand in under 3 minutes. The machine is not only safer to operate and more effective in sand dispersal, but also delivers significant material cost savings. MPC now has 2 Trenchmaster EF450s in the field, working on the Walibi Creek to Glebe Weir pipeline project. To safety news, MPC was highly commended in the Queensland Government's 2013 WorkSafe Awards. MPC was recognised firstly for its introduction of the spider plough to Australia's pipeline industry, and secondly for the extensive safety modifications the company has made to the machine to deliver a safer workplace environment for employees. In other safety news, MPC has moved into Phase 2 of its Safety Culture program, which has been developed to enhance the company's safe working culture. More than 1,200 employees have now participated in the program's Hub Day, and Phase 2 will see a selection of frontline employees being trained as coaches so they can deliver the important safety program to their peers and colleagues. MPC's crew members have once again demonstrated safe driving behaviour around host communities, with more than 6 million safe kilometres recorded in the past 3 months. In recognition of this safe driving effort by employees, MPC selected 8 of these safe drivers to attend a V8 supercar race in Melbourne, where they were able to take part in the high-paced car racing action and also meet with MPC's safe driving ambassador, Dick Johnson. To community news, MPC has continued to support its host communities and earlier this month donated more than $80,000 to the Wandoan kindergarten. In danger of having to close its doors, more than 200 MPC crew members working in the town rallied together for an auction night to raise some much-needed funds. Thanks to some energetic bidding, the crew was able to raise just over $40,000. And as a show of support for their efforts, MPC management matched the money raised by the crew. The Wandoan kindergarten said the generous donation would ensure the popular kindy could stay open for another 4 years and be able to complete a $20,000 building renovation. MPC also supported a number of other community events over the past few months, with the company once again coming on board as the major sponsor of Chinchilla Primary School annual trail ride, which is held to raise funds for school renovations. The Kogan State Primary School was another group to benefit from MPC's community commitment, with the crews from the QC LNG trunk lines project raising more than $6,000 for the school during a project kick-off event last month. The school was able to purchase a new shade structure and some much-needed sports equipment for students. That concludes this edition of MPC News. Until next time, stay safe.